Welcome to homework.
You want to use the change of base formula, changing the base to 10. So log of 16, well, not log of 16, but log base 16 of 57.2 would be equal to the log of 57.2 over the log of 16. That's using the change of base formula. Log of the numerator is the main value, the original value we're taking the logarithm of, over the log of the former base. Log base pi of 63 would become log of 63 over log of pi. And the next question, in 2012, the park rangers in Yellowstone determined that there were 400 bison and their population was shrinking by 2% per year. We first want to write an exponential growth model, giving the number of bison b of t in the park t years after 2006. Well, if we know that there were 450, let's put it this way. If we say it's 450 times it's shrinking by 2%, that would be retaining 98%, so it'd be 1 minus 0.02 to the t. But if we want this to be in years since 2006, we would do, if we knew this in 2012, we'd just subtract 6. So that could be our model. For part B, we want to know what the current population is. And I'm going to say the current population for the year 2022, which is 16 years. We'd be finding B of 16 to represent the year 2022. And so 450 times 0.98 to the 16 to the nearest bison would be 326. How long will it take to shrink by half? Well, we could find half of 450, which is 225. So we could say 225 equals 450 times 0.98 to the t minus 6. So I actually made a mistake in B. This is 16 minus 6. This would actually be 10, not 16. Okay, so it'd be 368. Okay, so now back to part C, we're solving for t. Divide both sides by 450, you're going to get 0.5. Then we're going to take the log of both sides, or I'm going to take the natural log. So if the natural log of 0.5 equals, what you're going to do then is you're going to bring down the power as a quantity t minus 6 times the natural log of 0.98. Then you're going to divide both sides by the natural log of 0.98. So you're equal to t minus 6, and so your last step would be to add 6 to both sides, and you're equal to t. So let's calculate that. The natural log of a half divided by the natural log of 0.98 plus 6 would be 40.3 years.